birth. This is girl over here, Gain, who has already given birth. To how many are those, Dindin? Ha? Pila nakabuok, Dindin? Ha? Pila man nakabuok? Tapa mamatis B1, 2, nakik, upat Dindin? Upat ka buok? Upat ka buok imong titin? Maniho lang ka. Luoy sa doy. Suya, wala ta tita ti mamatis. Buwa siya ni Naong, nangayong pagkaon, paghikap na kustiyan, yat naman. Natutyan naman tutoy. Dindin. Cute kayo Dindin, no? Saka orange. Saka duhak mo na duha ka tort. Saka orange sa nga daghag white. Tagaan ni mo mamagis parihakan kuya tati. Ha, Dindin? Dadaanin mo si Mama Disparihakan kuya tati. Hi Dindin. Wayo. Anak na taon. She's the one who went outside for 3 days. Came back after 3 days. 2 times. The first one she wasn't able to get pregnant, but now got pregnant. And I was counting for later days, but she gave birth, I think, last night. And then I did not notice that she wasn't around last night. That's what happens when you have many cats. And then stray cats was able to impregnate her, not the inside cats, because all of the males are neutered. Dindin, ofo, Dindin mamati. Hi, hi. Inisan tanaw niya kuan ha. Inisan ni mamatis Dindin ha. Ay, di pa payo yan, wala tad ka matikod. Ayaw, ayaw. Ayaw bed. Ayaw bed ka na kitten si Ate Dindin. Hi Dindin, you have 4 kitten Dindin. Ha? Murag na kay 30 Dindin no? Murag yung kag na 30 Dindin. Hindi na maklaro ni Mama Kiss. Mag 30 ni siya oh.